Hello everyone, and welcome to another ProTips video. Today, I'd like to present to you an interesting application in DIGSI using typical engineering. In this example, we will add overcurrent protection functions to each of the merging units in an existing substation as backup protection. Let's see how easy it is using templates in DIGSI. In the DIGSI project, we select device information in the latest version of the merging units template. Click on Modify Version. DIGSI will create a new version of the template, in this case, version 5. In the new version of the merging units, we will add the requested overcurrent function. In the DIGSI library, within the three-phase voltages and currents function group, we find the overcurrent function. We add the overcurrent function to the respective functional group. In the overcurrent protection settings, click on the symbol shown in the settings that we want to exclude from the template, meaning they will be different for each merging unit. Once the changes are complete, click on Apply Changes in Device Information. Now in the DIGSI project tree, select Typical Management and choose the merging units you want to update to version 5. It is also possible to downgrade to a previous version. Click on Update Child Devices. Now, each selected merging unit will be updated according to template version 5. Once finished, go to template number 5 and click on the Specific Settings menu. In this menu, we find the settings we marked as specific, and we can edit, for example, the overcurrent pickup for each merging unit. For example, for Bay 1, an overcurrent pickup at 2 secondary amperes, and so on for each bay. Once finished, click on Refresh. Now we verify in a merging unit that the overcurrent setting has been individually updated. In the overcurrent settings, we observe the previously programmed adjustment. Now the project has been successfully updated. If you need to publish some overcurrent signals at higher levels, please use System Configurator as usual. Thanks for watching. Remember that you can use this same process to update logic, communication parameters, displays, and more. If you are interested in more pro tips, please go to our website and register for more content. Additionally, you can click on the following links to obtain more information, such as the respective application note.